In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members to a board using Trello. This is an essential skill for anyone managing a project or collaborating with a team, ensuring that everyone stays in the loop and has access to the necessary resources and activities. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together so you can easily invite team members and streamline your teamwork process. First, you'll need to navigate to the board you wish to share. Open your web browser, type in the Trello website, and log in if you're not already. Once you're in Trello, find your board by using the search bar or navigating through your existing boards. Each board represents a particular project, so select the one you want to collaborate on with your team. Once you're on the board, look for the Share button. It's typically located at the top of the board near the title. Clicking this will open a panel where you'll be able to add new members to the board. This feature is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for you to quickly invite your colleagues or team members. In the panel, you'll see a section where you can type in a member's name or email address. It's crucial to ensure you're entering the correct information here. Trello will then use this to identify members within your organization or invite them as new users if they are not already in the system. Typing in an email address is often the most straightforward way to ensure there are no mix-ups, especially if you're working with a large team or across different departments. As you type in the member's name or email, a list of matching users may appear. When you see the correct person, click on their name. This action confirms you're choosing the right individual, whether they are already a part of Trello or you are inviting them for the first time. After selecting the desired member, you'll be prompted to choose their role on the board. It's typically best to start by adding them as members, though you have the option to assign different permissions depending on their role in the project. Setting the appropriate permissions right from the start can help avoid confusion and make sure that everyone has the access they need. Finally, once you've selected the member and set their permissions, click the Share button. This crucial last step sends the invitation directly to the team member, allowing them access to the board and the ability to begin collaborating right away. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to add team members to your Trello board. By following these steps, you can ensure your team stays connected and organized, allowing you to focus more on the tasks that matter. Thanks for watching and good luck with your projects.